Want to start an online business without storing inventory or packing boxes? In this video, I'm sharing exactly how to launch a dropshipping business in 2025 step by step using free tools, trending products, and a ton of AI to do the heavy lifting for you. No fluff here, just the real game plan. Step 1. Choose the right niche. In 2025, people crave convenience, health, and personalization. Here are some of the best dropshipping niches right now. Home office and productivity. Think desk organizers or LED lights. Health and wellness, like massage guns and posture correctors. Pet accessories. Custom collars, portable dog water bottles, and eco-friendly products like reusable kitchen towels and bamboo toothbrushes. Use tools like Google Trends, Sell the Trend, or Trends.co to see what's blowing up. Now step 2, find hot products people are actually buying. Product research tools make this way easier. Try Dropship.io to spot trending Shopify products, or use PPSBuy and Minia to track viral ads on Facebook and TikTok. In the TikTok Creative Center, search TikTok made me buy it to see what's going viral right now. Even Reddit. Check our dropshipping for upvoted unique finds. For example, mini portable blenders are crushing it in wellness and travel. And pet seatbelt leashes, huge on TikTok, and you can source them for under $5 on AliExpress. Step 3. Find a supplier you can trust. You can source dropshipping products through AliExpress. Just look for 4.8-star suppliers with e-packet or US shipping options. Want faster delivery? Try CJ Dropshipping or Spocket, which ship from the US and EU. Zendrop is super beginner friendly and plugs right into Shopify. Pro tip, always order a sample before you scale. Test how long shipping actually takes and check the quality yourself. Step 4, time to build your store. Use Shopify, it's the gold standard for dropshipping. Pick a clean, mobile-friendly theme like Refresh or Dawn. Only add 5 to 10 curated products, don't clutter it up. For product descriptions, use ChatGPT to write copy that focuses on the benefits, not just the features. Like, instead of made with stainless steel, say, built to last, even after 100+ uses. Step 5, create killer video ads, even if you don't want to film. Use InVideo AI to whip up video ads using stock footage, animated text, and AI voiceovers. Add music, a quick testimonial, and highlight those product benefits. These ads are perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Bonus, use Canva to design matching social content without any headaches. Step 6, launch your ads and go live. Start small, like $5 to $15 a day. Use TikTok Spark ads for viral finds, Facebook Advantage Plus campaigns, or Instagram Reels ads. Your ad needs 3 things: a hook in the first 3 seconds, a clear product benefit, and a call to action like, get yours now, or only 200 left. Track everything with Shopify Analytics or a pixel tool like UTM.io. Step 7, time to optimize and scale. If a product's selling, bump up your budget by 20 to 30% every few days. Keep testing new ad creatives every week. Add upsells and bundles using Zipify or one-click upsell apps. If a product flops, don't sweat it. Just pivot to the next one. Testing is the whole game, so let's recap. Find a hot niche. Choose viral, high-margin products. Pick reliable suppliers. Build a simple Shopify store. Use InVideo AI for your ads. Run small, smart ad tests. Scale the winners. Cut the losers. Drop a comment below with the niche or product you're thinking about starting with. And hit subscribe for more strategies that actually work, not just trends.